Hello class, and welcome to week 3, Cloud Technologies. Week 3, Background and Rationale. This week will focus on cloud computing and how it will be leveraged to reduce the infrastructure costs for different companies. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of this learning topic, you should be able to discuss what cloud computing is in general and various forms of hosting, such as shared mainframe, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Discuss the general advantages and disadvantages of hosting your own systems versus using cloud resources. Learning activities. This will be your readings and presentations. Complete the readings and resources for this week as listed in the course assignments and activities table in the course syllabus. If you don't have a copy of the course syllabus, let me know because the link isn't working at this time, so I will just give you a copy of the one that I have. Class discussion topics. Post one of your AB entries for this week to the forum for peer review. You should provide constructive feedback to at least 2 of your peers on their AB entries using the assignment rubric as a guide. Look for how well they are meeting the criterion in the rubric for the AB assignment. Discussion question 1, read the ethics guide case study, Cloudy Prophet on page 170 for the Cronky text. Consider questions 1 and 7, post your answers to the forum. Research security issues associated with using the cloud to host a company's infrastructure. What policies need to be in place to securely host development efforts and production? Reference the case where a company's cloud data was compromised. This week will be a research paper using the Falcon Security Database. Write an analysis paper for Mateo and Joni at Falcon Security explaining service-oriented architecture, microservices, and the importance of web service standards. In your analysis, explain how the cloud will be impossible without service-oriented architecture, microservices, and web service standards. Describe a situation where Falcon Security could benefit from service-oriented architecture or microservices. Make sure to reference specific business requirements from the text for Falcon Security. Your paper should be in APA format and consists of 3 to 5 pages of content, title page, abstract, and reference page. Submit your research paper in Research Paper 1 Dropbox by midnight on Sunday. You can also click on the written assignment assessments, research essay, case analysis written assignments will be scored using this written assessment grading rubric. And you can also use this CC and IS written assignment template. Also, for your annotated bibliography, you're going to add 2 more entries to it. You're going to highlight the new one in yellow, remove any highlighting from previous submissions if you have already done that. You're going to research 1 article on microservices and how this is different from service-oriented architecture. And then your other entry should be related to the adoption of cloud. Suggestions would be a case study or tutorial. And again, you have the assignments doc, you have the sample doc, and the annotated bibliography rubric, which you can always download from week to week. If there are any questions or anyone has anything that I did not review in this walkthrough for week 3, just send me an email and I will get the updated information out to you as quickly as possible.